Alright. Pretty much got this thing done. I had to I decided to go with the Coleman CT200u-ex, by the way. Anyways, I went with the motor. I made, what I did was I made you know how you put your, for the rear wheel alignment and the adjustment of the chain tension. Well, I made the I made the tire stationary in the back, and decided to move the engine to make the adjustment. And this is what I did. I basically drilled holes in the tube right here and made the you know, got some bolts, and then I welded on a couple of washers and put the nuts, you know, arranged it so that the nuts will, or the washers could, and I put the nuts on there so I can adjust the chain tension on this thing. And I was having a little difficulties getting the chain lined up, but it's lined up now. But putting those on the front made it a lot easier to put tension on the chain and line up the engine, because the engine, I don't know, the engine doesn't really sit real perfectly straight on here, but I think I got it. So but I was going by the bracket there for the cover, just trying to line it up. And it is touching. So I just have a few things to finish up on it, like put the cover on here and maybe redo this plastic guide, because the chain is touching the side a little bit. I may have to take the spacer out, but it's pretty close, that spacer in there. I might have to trim the spacer down a little bit, because it is a little close to the height there. I'm sure it'll self-adjust itself. But I wanted to say that it's pretty much done. But well, that's where I'm at right now with this build. I'm gonna take it. I'm probably gonna do it's late right now. It's like 11 o'clock p.m. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get the cover on that side over there and take it out for a test drive and see how it works. So that's about it for now. Wish me luck for tomorrow. I'm gonna put the fender back on and the rear light, the rear tail light on it, and but I'll end up having to take it apart and paint it eventually. But I still got to test drive it and make sure everything's working correctly. So here we go. Like, share, and subscribe.